Hello everyone and welcome to the English Planet channel. Today we're going to explore some interesting professions and the important roles they play in our lives. Let's dive in and learn more about what these professionals do. 1. Doctor. Doctors diagnose and treat illnesses, provide medical care and advise patients on health maintenance. 2. Teacher. Teachers educate students in various subjects, develop lesson plans, and foster their learning and development. 3. Engineer. Engineers design, build, and maintain systems, structures, or machinery in fields like civil, electrical, or software engineering. 4. Chef. Chefs prepare and cook food in restaurants or kitchens, create menus, and ensure food quality. 5. Police officer. Police officers enforce laws, ensure public safety, investigate crimes, and maintain order. 6. Firefighter. Firefighters respond to fire emergencies, rescue people from dangerous situations, and provide fire prevention education. 7. Pilot. Pilots operate aircraft to transport passengers or cargo, ensuring safe flight operations. 8. Accountant. Accountants manage financial records, prepare taxes, and provide financial advice to businesses or individuals. 9. Artist. Artists create visual, auditory, or performance art to express ideas, emotions, or beauty. 10. Lawyer. Lawyers represent clients in legal matters, provide legal advice, and advocate for clients in court. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about the amazing world of work.